friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming back at you with another skincare video. Once again, I have two products that we are testing out today. Both of these I have mentioned on my channel before as well, but we are going to be testing the Skinfood Freshmade Watermelon Mask Soothing Wash Off Type. Yes, I would read like the description and stuff right now, but there's a plastic covering around this guy. And because of that, I really cannot see what it says under the plastic covering. We are also going to be using these from e.l.f, which I saw these. I kind of mentioned this in, I think when I attempted Vlogmas. I mentioned these because I saw these and thought they were weird. Again, another $2 e.l.f. product that I bought so I could hit the $25 free gift amount. But anyways, these are the mask off sponges. There's two in here. And basically on these, they're supposed to expand when wet to help take off a mask. And usually I use like some type of like towel or soft washcloth to take off masks just because I feel like it's easier and I don't have to like really like do a lot. It's easy. Also, I don't really like getting messy when I do my skincare, so I usually use like something that helps me take off a mask because I don't like to just like have water dripping down my arms. So we're gonna give these a shot. I feel like they're not gonna work, but we're gonna try them anyways. And yeah, let's get started. Now that we are headbanded up, that's not a word. We are going to take this off and hopefully I can get this off. There's like, it is perforated, but I don't think I can do this with my nails. This is proving very difficult with nails. I just need to like, thanks. Okay, I got the pencil under there. Still really not coming off. The packaging is cute. It's like a little jar. Come on, come on. Yes. It says Skinfood Freshmade Watermelon Mask, a wash-off mask with a cool moisturizing gel that clings to upset skin and immediately hydrates and soothes it. So I'm kind of hoping this is almost like a dupe for the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask. That is between like $30 and $40. It's not like super cheap. They do make samples that are cheaper, but it's definitely not cheap. Like even like the tiny samples, like for what you get, not cheap. So even though this isn't a overnight mask, I'm kind of still hoping, fingers crossed, that it is more like a dupe for that. And then it also says direction: before basic skincare, thickly apply all over your face except on the skin around your eyes and lips. After about 10 to 15 minutes, gently massage and rinse with lukewarm water. And you can also use the Glow Recipe one as a mask, so I'm kind of hoping that's what this like dupes for. And I got this at Ulta, by the way. I think it was on sale for like less than $5. Originally, I think it's like less than 15, between $10 and $15. So it's like half the price of the Skinfood one. And I don't know how much the amounts like size up. Now I'm gonna open up these little sponges. Basically on here, it says create a spa experience in your bathroom with these usable mask removal sponges. I can't talk today. Just add water and watch them expand into soft, gentle sponges that remove masks, cleanse, and gently exfoliate your skin. Directions: wet with warm water, which I'll go do after I put the mask on, or when I'm going to take it off, and gently swipe over your skin to cleanse or remove masks. Rinse with warm water and squeeze out excess water to reuse. So I'm happy that I can reuse these. I just wish I knew how many times you can reuse them before they get all grody. It doesn't really say, and this is what they look like. I feel like it's gonna be like those little towels. You guys know what I'm talking about? When like you were a kid and you'd be like taking a bath and those little towels that are like in the like little circles or hearts or whatever, and you put them in warm water and they just like blow up. I'm kind of thinking this is what that'll be like, and then it'll turn into like a makeup eraser for masks. I don't know, we'll see. But I don't know how I'm gonna get the little lid off of this because again, it kind of came off on its own. That's nice. It's not really coming off entirely. Like, that's all we got. Okay, she's off, we got her. Texture wise, it does seem maybe a little bit thicker than the Glow Recipe one, but color wise, it's like really similar. As you can do it. And I have my trusty little mask brush and we're just gonna go in. Okay, I like really like this texture though. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this without me like entirely spilling it, but like, I don't know, I just like it, it's nice. It smells almost identical to the Glow Recipe watermelon stuff, so that's a good sign. And I have my mirror right like underneath my camera, so we're just gonna put this on. Super duper cooling, that's good. I feel like I could definitely use this with my fingers and put it all on my fingers, but I have my mask brush here, so we're just gonna use that. I love how it feels on the skin though. It's really nice. And just because it is like a jelly texture, it just like, it feels so good on the skin. Like, I'm not even kidding. And then it just has that really nice watermelon smell that I dig. So, all is good. I don't know how new this product is, but it is not that new to me. I don't know when it was released, but I remember I bought it like over the summer of 2018, obviously, because 2019 just started, but I like it. It is kind of stinging a little bit here where I have some acne issues going on right now, but I feel like any mask would be like that, so I'm not too concerned. Very drippy and runny on the forehead though. It wasn't this drippy and runny I feel on my like cheek area. It could just be because I'm kind of just slathering it on up here though. It's kind of clearish on the face, which so is the Glow Recipe one. So I don't know how well of a job I did getting it on my face, but we're just gonna kind of leave it. And it does say 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer on my phone for 15 minutes as so, and I will wash it off in about 15 minutes. It does stay on my mask brush pretty well. Ugh, ew. Got some in my mouth. Oh my god. Probably not a good thing that just happened. I'm just gonna close her back up and I will get back to you in about 15 minutes and once these are nice and damp. It has been 15 minutes. I'm gonna go wet one of these boys and I will be right back so we can take this off. However, I do want to mention first that while I had this mask on, it wasn't like stingy or anything, but it did like make my face itchy in parts. I don't know if that has anything to do with the mask. It could just be my face is itchy, but that's a thing that happened. I'm gonna go do this. So this is what happened with the sponge. And I'm just gonna, I actually really like this to take masks off. It like grips the mask a little bit because it is a sponge. It just gets off my face so much easier, I feel like. This is so much better than using a towel. I'd be like interested to try it with a mask I know is really difficult to take off, like specifically the Elizavecca Bubble Clay one, the charcoaly mask, that's what I'm thinking of. The like OG Elizavecca mask that everyone like first kind of got obsessed with, and now there's like a bunch of dupes for it that aren't really dupes, but just kind of like cheap knockoffs on like Instagram. I know that mask is super difficult to take off just because it's really thick, so I'd be interested to see. And this like took my mask off like so quickly too. It didn't do the best job taking it off, but I mean neither do like washcloths or whatever, so honestly this is like on par with that, and I really like it because it just made my life like 10 times easier. Like I still need to like dry off my face with the towel and try to like wipe off any excess of the mask, but I mean I do that anyways, so I'm digging it. Like I'm actually liking the mask sponge. I thought this was really stupid in the store, but it's not. I really like it. Yeah, that is my skin post mask. I feel like I'd have to use it for a couple days in a row to see if it really is like a dupe for the Glow Recipe watermelon mask. However, first impressions, I really enjoyed it. I feel like it could very well be a dupe, especially if you're using the watermelon mask as more of like a wash off, peel off pack type thing than a sleeping mask. And also I have another sleeping mask. I have a couple other sleeping masks that I really enjoy, so I could like switch those out and use this in between, because you use this after skin cleansing. But this is in between like your cleanser and your toner basically. I also feel like after putting this on, I could like put on a like moisturizer and be like good to go. So even like for like daily makeup, I feel like that'd be really nice too. I like it. I like both things I tried today. Usually when I try multiple products in a video, I don't like every single product, but this is a first. I give a yes, complete 200% yes to the mask sponges and the mask. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below, as well as click the little bell notification and check out and leave a comment and a like. I will link hopefully the sky and the sponges, or like just write down the product names even in the description box down below. As always, make sure to tell, oh, okay, hello hair. Like I said in my last skincare video, make sure to tell me down below other things you want me to try, of things I already own, and even if you want me to go out and buy products, maybe I will, because like sometimes you just need to like buy things. Okay, I'm getting off topic. I like these products. That's what we're taking away from this video. Yes. I hope everyone's having a super great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.